Hi, this is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. Welcome to our channel.
Hey guys, this is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. In today's video, we're going to do the exercise called the Hemibridge. This is a progression of the supine 90-90 hip lift exercise video that we made in the past. If you're interested, click the link below. Now let's get to the exercise. The setup first is grab a chair or an edge of a bed or a coffee table so you can put your heel on top of it so your hips and knees are at about 90 degrees. So let me show you. You're going to put your feet on the chair, the hips and knees about 90 degrees. You're going to dig your heels into the chair and you're going to feel the muscle called the hamstrings, which is right here. You want to feel around this area. As you feel it, you're going to, around this area, check here, you're going to peel your tailbone off the ground. I'll do it again. Check here. I'm feeling my hamstrings, digging my heels, peeling it off. Now the progression to this is as you start feeling these muscles, you're going to put all your weight on one heel or your leg. Once you feel like you got everything, you're going to start to feel a lot more hamstrings on one side. You're going to start slowly letting that other leg go. Notice I didn't compensate much by moving my upper body and back too much. Once you get here, you're going to hold this position and breathe for about 3 to 4 breaths. Make sure you are breathing, not holding your breath. So I'll do a couple. Breathe in. And let's say I did 3 breaths. You bring the other one down. You start putting all the weight on the other side. Feel the hamstring activation switch to the other side. And then I'm going to start letting the other one off the ground or off the chair. You're going to breathe for about 3 to 4 breaths. That's the Hemibridge, and you're making sure you feel the hamstrings during that whole time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found that helpful, and if you now are thinking that I wonder what else this person can help me with, please go to our website at www.kamiyama.com and find other free contents or apply to our free discovery visit to further see if we can help you. For any further information, please email us at info@kamiyama.com. Thank you so much.